Hi, my name is Craig Konkle. This is my wife Joyce. We live in Montoursville, Pennsylvania. We've been helping with the youth group for almost a year now as a support role. My wife taking care of the food and the snacks, and myself helping with anything that needs done when it comes to manpower and support. I'm currently the terminal manager at Compass Natural Gas right here next to the church. We have 5 children. I'll let my wife talk about our children and our grandchildren.
My name is Joyce, like Craig said, and I am a hairstylist. I have a salon in my home. I'm also a barber. We do have 5 children. My oldest is Hunter, and he's married to Emily. My second is Walker, and he's also married to an Emily. We have a Ryder, Parker, and Remember. And we have 2 grandchildren. We have Ella. Hunter and Emily have Ella, and Walker and Emily have Grayson.
I've been in the fire department for 38 years as a volunteer, but we also very much enjoy spending time with our children and our grandchildren. We got involved with the youth group. My daughter Remember is our youngest. She's in the youth group, and we felt it important to be involved to assist young adults to grow in things of the Lord. We knew what it was like having 5 children and the importance of the youth group, youth activities, spiritual teaching, and the encouragement that other adults could give them. So we've enjoyed ourselves. So we look forward to what the Lord's going to be doing coming into the summer months with youth group, and we'll be wrapping up here, hard to believe, here in May for this season.